Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is August the 6th. Our devotion is called Stubborn Hearts. My people did not listen to my voice. Israel would not submit to me. So I gave them over to their stubborn hearts to follow their own counsel. Psalms 81, 11, and 12. Stubbornness is a tricky aptitude. There is often no opening for a conversation with a stubborn person. They have their own ideas about how things should be done, and they aren't willing to listen to the advice of others. We can all be stubborn in certain ways. Unfortunately, our stubbornness sometimes comes out towards God. We feel His Spirit gently advising us, but we rationalize it away in our heads instead of allowing it to guide our hearts. God can do more in a month with a life full of surrender, with a life fully surrendered to Him, than He can do in years with a life that is holding back. God, I am sorry for holding back from the things that you have asked me to do. I do not want to let my stubborn heart get in the way. So help me to trust you so you can do what you want with my life. The nighttime devotion. Did you hear the gentle voice of God today? Don't forget what He has done for you. God wants to fill your mouth and use your life, but you have to open it up to Him. Do not hold back. Give God every part of you tonight and follow His counsel rather than your own. Surrender your stubborn heart to Him completely. The question of the day. Where might you have a stubborn heart towards God? I don't know. I didn't think I did, but I don't know. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have a stubborn heart towards something that God has asked you to do. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like to subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.